Hello guys, do you want to know how to make this fluffy and delicious gâteau salé or pâté togolaise? Don't worry, today I'm here to teach you exactly what to make this gâteau salé right in your kitchen. So let's go. Measure 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Add 2 teaspoons of milk flavor, 1 teaspoon of nut milk, 1/4 cup of buttermilk, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of dry yeast. Mix everything together very well. Add 1 cup of warm water and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Use your spoon, start mixing it. After that, use your hand to start mixing it properly. So make sure you use enough water, because if you don't use enough water, your gâteau salé will not be fluffy. Secondly, make sure you mix it like 10 to 15 minutes. So now I mix it like 2 minutes. I'm adding my margarine. If you are using oil, you have to add it from the beginning. If you are using oil, use 1/4 cup of oil. But for margarine, I'm using 1 tablespoon of margarine. So I'll continue mixing this like 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, this is how the dough is looking. It's looking very nice and smooth and very soft. So I put some flour on my plate for preventing the dough to stick on the plate. So I'll just roll it in small ball and put it there and cover it like 30 minutes till the dough has doubled the size. At this point, I'm heating my oil. 30 minutes later, this is what we have. The dough has totally doubled the size. If you want a small size, you can share this into two. So now the only thing we do is use our hand to spread the dough, to relax the dough, or to make the dough flat. Then start frying it. That's all. Pâté salé is not difficult to make at all. Just that if you know how to make bread, you know how to make gâteau salé. And trust me, it's very sweet. This is actually Togolese favorite snack or morning breakfast. They use it to drink coffee, or they call some cocoa atadi zogbo, when we call it here Hausa cocoa. So they use it to drink that every morning. Even evening after eating, they go in and go and buy this and eat with their cocoa again. So now I'm frying it. This is not on high heat, it's on low heat, not too low, not too high. Now this is how it look like. It's ready. Can you see how it's looking? Are you loving what you are seeing? Are you going to try this? Try it and let me know at the comment section how it come out at your place. I hope you will try it. Do you learn something inside this video today? If yes, don't forget to support your girl by subscribing to the channel, share the video, give your girl a thumbs up. So this is how it look like, guys. I'll be frying it, then I'll fry everything finish. So this one I'll be using it to drink ama cocoa. You are invited though. I trust you will like it and you will love it. So guys, this is how it look like. Did you learn something inside this video today? If yes, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. Support your girl by subscribing to the channel, share the video, like the video. Thank you so much for your support, your caring. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Until I see you in my next video. Bye. Have a great day.